y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, y'all, I'm going to be making one of those ultimate Southern comfort recipes, and that is some good old macaroni and cheese. But now it's got a little twist. Y'all know how I've been doing all of the older, some of the vintage recipes. Well, I just love them. Well, this recipe for macaroni and cheese comes from Betty Crocker, Good and Easy cookbook from the 1950s. Y'all see my little ingredients, honey. Basic, nothing to it. And so we're going to cook a macaroni and cheese like old Betty would do in 1950. So I have got me some cooked macaroni noodles, 4 cups. And if you don't know, 4 cups is 2 cups that has not been cooked. So 2 cups of raw, I just threw one less. 2 cups equals 4 cups of cooked macaroni. All right, got me a little butter dish here. And got my little ingredients, y'all. This all is to it. So we're going to dump these noodles, and they're still, y'all see the smoke, still hot. Just got them out the pan. And I've got about a 2-quart casserole dish here. Now, it says to use about, it says use 1 1/4 cup of cubed cheddar cheese. So we're just going to mix this in here. Now, I may have just a little extra, but we're going to start with that. And it says 2 tablespoons of butter. So I've got some salted butter here. I'm just going to do it in little pieces like that. Try to just get it moved around. I'm sure if you wanted more butter, you could do it. But we're just going to do it like old Betty did it. Good old Betty. Now, when I say this is, when she said it's good and easy, honey, the easy part she has nailed already, because this is about as easy as you get. All right, now we're going to take 2 eggs, whisk 2 eggs together. Easy peasy. There's 1. Got my 2. 2 eggs. Get all that goodness. I'm just going to give it a little whisk. Well, let me get you, Russell.
I'm in the soak zone.
All right. Now, 3 cups of whole milk. So just some whole milk. We're going to mix this all together. 3 cups. Give it another little whisk. We're just going to get this all mixed up good. So no roux, no flour, no, 12 different kinds of cheeses. Honey, simple. Now, old Betty said just do a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We're just going to put a little bit. You just season that, honey, how you want to season yours. Of course, as always, I cook my noodles in some salt. And I did throw in some little black pepper in my noodles when it's cooking. Do a little black pepper like so. Give it another little move around. Getting that butter melted in pieces. Now we're just going to pour this, this milk over. Milk and eggs. Here we go. You can't get no easier than this, I'm telling you. So simple. Now I'm just going to mash down those little pieces, this little noodles here. And that's all there is to it, y'all. You don't have to cover it to bake it or nothing. You're just going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees for between 45 minutes to an hour. All right, the last little piece on this is just sprinkle some paprika on top. Just regular old paprika, y'all. Now, it did say in the recipe optional for some breadcrumbs, but we're not going to do any breadcrumbs. I don't think I've ever had a macaroni and cheese with breadcrumbs on it here in the South. We just don't do it like that. But there she is in all her glory. We're going to slap in the oven at 350, and I'll let you know how long. There she is, y'all. I did let it cook for an hour.
Golden brown, cheesy.
Delicious.
Looks yummy.
It does look yummy. And we about to dig in and see what we think about this old recipe, y'all.
Oh, Betty. We'll see what old
Oh,
Betty got.
Betty.
Yeah.
Betty, honey. Yes, we gonna check old Betty out. So you ready to?
I'm ready.
Ready for it?
I'm
All
ready
right,
to do
let's
my
do
part.
it. All right, y'all. How quick and easy was that?
It was easy.
Super simple.
Yeah.
I mean, it didn't take but a few minutes to put it together.
No, it didn't. It was fast.
Took a little minute to cook,
Yeah.
but I checked it at 45 minutes and it still had a little moisture in it, so I just let her go on just a little bit further. Go ahead, Russell. Just get on in there. He loves him some macaroni and cheese.
It tastes like an old timey recipe.
Does
Mac and
it?
cheese, yeah, it does.
Meaning what?
Meaning
Simple?
from childhood days. Simple,
Okay,
very,
like grandma's
like
kind of.
grandma's kind of mac and cheese. Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
It does.
because I mean, you see, I didn't go add anything to it.
No, it's good.
So,
Real good.
yeah. Sometimes the simple stuff really is best. It is. You go to adding all those different cheeses. Now, I do love a good macaroni and cheese, and his mom makes the killer macaroni and cheese, puts the sour cream and all. I've done that.
It's very good. Very good.
Good.
I mean, to be a simple recipe, it ain't
Yeah.
fancy, but it is delicious, y'all.
Well, good.
Cheesy, creamy. Noodles are perfect, tender. They're good. Everything's good.
Kind of one of those recipes for me. I've said before, I didn't have a grandma. I wasn't fortunate to have one by the time I come along on either side of my family. But I've ate some good grandma's food at church. Like in the old fellowship hall, y'all.
That's what this exactly. I thought immediately.
That is
immediately
funny.
what my mind went back to is like a
Old church fellowship.
church fellowship dinners.
Old grandmas bringing in
When I
them
was
dishes,
young.
honey, bringing them in.
And you just don't have, most of the time now, people just don't usually cook in this way. Most of the time people use a lot of cheese and they like to doctor stuff up. They watch the Food Network, and
Yeah.
this is very, it's delicious. I'm going to tell you. Sometimes
Simple, y'all.
simple is better, to be honest, to me. That's a very good macaroni. I call it macaroni pie, y'all. That's what we called it growing up. Did somebody,
Yeah. Macaroni pie.
that's exactly what, that's, to me, that's a macaroni pie. That's what that is. It ain't got no pie crust or whatever, but
No fancy, but just full of
Yeah,
flavor.
yeah.
It really, just the simplicity of it.
yeah.
It really works.
I could eat the whole pan, to be
Well,
honest.
we got
That
a
takes
whole-
me back to when I was a kid. That's
Good.
a bite of when I was a kid, is what that
And
is.
that's what I want. I love tasting something and be like, oh my gosh, this is just like Mama used to
Yeah,
make, or whatever, whoever. But I thought of the church fellowship hall
Yeah.
because that's where we got some good old different kind of food all the time. But anyway, another little
We love it. We're on the road with these old
vintage-
recipes.
Another old vintage recipe for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, old fashioned. But if you're enjoying these type of videos, holler, let us know. Let us know.
Yeah,
If
we're
not,
going to work on maybe getting our little community deal working.
Yes.
And,
y'all can just leave comments.
Leave
and
comments and interact a little bit in there about,
Yeah.
this type of stuff and
Things
where
you'd
you
like to
come
see.
from and what
Yeah.
you grew up eating on and stuff like that. And if you have a recipe to share, that'd be a good place to do it.
Yeah, because I don't want.
All in one place. That's what YouTube creates it for, and we haven't made use of it like we should.
And I don't want to feel like we just do all the talking.
Yeah,
We
we'd love
want
to know
some
about
feedback
y'all.
from
We really
y'all.
would. We want you to feel
Yes.
like you're in our kitchen. We really do.
Absolutely.
And the ones of y'all that do reach out and talk to us, we love it.
We
That's
do,
why we do
we
it. We really do.
We do.
Especially the ones that give us feedback and give us good
Yeah.
ideas and stuff. We absolutely love it.
In fact, while this old macaroni was in there just a cooking, I was in there answering comments because a video just come out today. It's Friday for us. And I was in there just
She's at it.
texting away,
Yep.
just doing my thing. But anyway, thank y'all so much. And thanks for putting up with us. And until next time.